Okay, so first we're going to use the volumetric pipette and add 10 milliliters of vinegar into the Erlenmeyer flask. We want to make sure the meniscus is right at the bottom of the line. Okay. Then we'll put that into the Erlenmeyer flask. We will then add 50 milliliters of water into the Erlenmeyer flask. And 2 to 5 drops of phenolphthalein solution. Okay, then we swirl. First we have to wash the burette, so we make sure the stopcock is all the way closed, so it's horizontal. And then we make sure we put the funnel into the top, and we're going to wash it with a little bit of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so then we remove the funnel. We swirl it a little to remove the contaminant. And then we'll empty this into our waste beaker. We open the stopcock in order to let it flow out. Okay, so then after this, we will prepare to do the titration. Okay, so to prepare for the titration, we will fill the burette above the 0 mark with sodium hydroxide. Now we remove the funnel. We will open the stopcock to bring it down to exactly 0. We make sure that it's eye level so that way we can see the meniscus. We will remove the excess beaker and then put the vinegar solution under the burette. Now we will begin the titration. So we open the stopcock, but we make sure that it's on a white background so we can see the phenolphthalein color change. We'll open the stopcock with one hand while swirling with the other. The titration is complete.